in Tirumala High School. I have joined in AH Career course, step function course. My sir gave me a topic of hardware. Definition of hardware: it's a physical element of computer. Hardware first external and internal devices and equipment that enable us to perform major functions such as example input, output, storage, communication, processing, etc. The hardware is of two types: internal hardware and external hardware. Internal hardware means hardware that is inside the computer case. Example: motherboard, RAM, SSD, etc. External hardware means the hardware that is outside the computer case. Example: monitor, printer, keyboard, etc. Uses of hardware devices. RAM acts as the computer's short-term memory and stores data temporarily as it's being processed. ROM is used to store critical information such as program used to start up. CPU is the brain of the computer. This device carries out calculations to complete software instructions. Motherboard is a circuit board which connects to main components of the computer system. A hard disk drive is used to store in the information like software and files. Mouse is the pointing device used to select and point on a screen. Thank you.